Hi, I believe this is your website. Yeah, the reason that I'm recording this video for you is that I am being trained in website design and I want to show you a website that you might like. Wait, I'll show it now. Here. My boss figures that an agency could get like $1,200 to $1,500 or more for a website like this. Yeah, I would add your photos here in our gallery. This link. And also gonna add your contact details here. Or maybe if you have some info or information that you want to add, you can use these services. Same thing with if you want to add about your company, you can use this link. Yeah, if this website would be good for you or would be helpful, do me a favor and hit a reply and let me know. If not, no big deal. Well, I forgot to mention, my name is Julie, and I'm working at Agent Boomer Marketing in Red Deer. Talk to you soon. Thank you.